Have you ever wanted to learn how to trade in the stock market, but every corner you turn to try to find some way to educate yourself, it just seemed like you were running into that used car salesman just trying to sell you a course? That's the same feeling that I got when I was trying to learn. Hi, my name is Brad, and I've had that same experience. When looking to try to learn how to trade in the stock market, it was something that you weren't taught in high school, something that you weren't taught in college, and it's so hard to find that reliable resource and that reliable education that can help you truly become successful within the stock market. I'm just a regular guy that was able to quit his job and find the freedoms that trading in the stock market has awarded me. I'm not interested in selling you a millionaire lifestyle. I'm not interested in selling you unrealistic goals. If you're looking to step up your trading game, my Own the Chaos course is available for you to purchase. It's not an obligation for you. It's just an opportunity for you to check out and see what trading in the stock market can afford you. The freedoms that it can provide you are limitless, but that's not the gimmick that I'm selling you. I want to be able to impact your life for the better and make realistic goals. So if you're interested in taking charge of your life and in giving yourself the freedom that trading in the stock market can provide you, check out WeTradeHQ.com. It's absolutely free to join. And if you're looking to step up your game within the stock market and further your education, my Own the Chaos Penny Stock Mastery course is there for you at any time with no obligation to purchase whatsoever. As always, I will see you all before the bell, and B Smith is out.